Hello, little artists! Join us for fun, colorful drawing and magical adventures. Subscribe for more super cute fun. Enjoy and keep creating!
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw Pikachu. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, make sure you have drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser and some colored markers or crayons. Got everything? Great! Place your paper over a picture of Pikachu. You can find a picture online or in a coloring book. Use your pencil to trace the outline of Pikachu. Great job! Now it's time to color Pikachu. Wow, look that! You did an amazing job drawing Pikachu. If you had fun, make sure you to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye friends.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more fun contents.